All right, Mucka, time to learn how to add a job to a client.
All right, Mucka, welcome to episode 2 of our training videos. So in this episode, we're going to look at actually creating a job to assign that to the client. Again, we've got two choices. We can do that through voice or we can do it manually through the phone itself. So if we're going to do it through voice, we can simply press the Talk to Mucka button, press the microphone and go, can you create a job for John Smith where we're going to service his boiler?
Which John Smith are we talking about, mate? There's a few of them. Got a location or an email to narrow it down?
So there we go. So John Smith, there's a couple of John Smiths saved in the phone. What Mucka's trying to do is determine which John Smith this is relevant for. So off the top of my head, I think it was 123 High Street, Brighton was the last one. It's for John Smith who lives at 123 High Street in Brighton.
Job sorted for John Smith in Brighton to service his boiler. Do you want to schedule in or add a quote to it next?
So there you go. So right, so now it's created that job. So you need to create the job to then do the quotes and the invoices, as that all be contained inside. Before I do that, we'll go on to if you was going to do that manually. So you'd click jobs, you'd press the plus button, and then you'd select the client that you wanted to do. So that was the John Smith from before, and then you would just manually type in the information you want and the scheduling. If we cancel that and go into that boiler service job, so you'll see on the app that the boiler service job has been created. You'll see the client that's been attached to, and then you'll be able to create the quotes and invoices. What we'll then do is let's do the quotes in another video so we can break that down separately and keep that one nice and simple. So to create a job, as before, do it through voice or do it through manually. And yeah, catch the next video for how we then make a quote.
Got a cracking idea for Mucka? Tell us in the comments. We're building this with you.